All right, ILLIYOON has an awesome product here. This is their hand lotion. So it is their lotion. They do have a concentrate cream, but you don't always need something to just go ahead and take away the extra sensitive skin and super dry skin. Maybe you just got that daily lotion need, and this is going to solve that problem for you. One of the things I do like about this product is this lotion comes really nicely packaged, as in it has a container on it, and I like that, just knowing that I get a good product. Now you do have the pump top on here, so you want to from a pump top you do have to twist it left, and it is going to undo just like so. So if you did want to travel with it, you can make that happen. Let's go ahead and take a look at the ingredients on the back. There is a laundry list of them, but they do have sensitive skin tested and allergy tested. So definitely read through this so you can see what they have going on, from all the different extracts and all the little bits of stuff in here, building up their lotion. Let's go ahead and see. I kind of let my hands be a little extra dry today, so let's go ahead and see. We got one pump. Let's see what we can get here, and it is like a creamy white right there. So rubs in really well. You see that just went away really easily without any issues. Does not feel oily. Just definitely skin is soaking it in. So let's get that. And you see, I just used a little bit, and right there, my hands do not look oily by no means, and it soaked it in just like that. So I am 100% digging that. I don't know, even got a tattoo right here. Definitely give it a little vibrance on that. Not sure if that's going to or not, but that's something to think about. But I tell you what, I'm digging. I love the ILLIYOON lotion and their concentrate. This thing has been a hit for us, and it is a perfect fit for my daily skincare routine. Guys, you got to definitely check it out.